words, if you don't really know how to type, that's the variables, and they said that his variable's h.
Okay.
So I thought, since we don't know Rod's actual height, we just know that he stays taller than Howard. So I thought that we could do a subtraction because because Howard is shorter than Raj. So I did it.
So I see what you did. So you to do Howard, you did h minus 3. Okay, so let's reverse that. We want Raja. So if this one's h minus 3, then Raja would be h plus 3. Okay? Because we're looking for Raja. So you're kind of in the ballpark, okay? So that's what that one was. All right, what about number 2? Anybody want to help me with that? Oh, sorry. I had to reshare it because my screen went down. All right, now you should be able to see it. All right, so Marcus is 4 times the sum of 6 and a number.
Can I help?
Yep. And then the number is going to be D. So what would I do?
You would put the C and D together and then multiply it by 4.
You mean the 6 and D? Yes. So, yep. And then I would put those in parentheses and then put the 4 on the outside. Because I know we didn't discuss a problem like this. So anytime there's a number on the outside of parentheses, we know it means times or multiply. Because if we did it like this, right, what does that multiplication symbol look like? Looks like a variable, right? So it's better to write it that way. So this is not the right way. Okay? All right. What about number 3? What does quotient mean?
The answer to a division problem.
Yep. So we don't know, right? We don't know what T is, so how would we set that up? T
divided by 3.
Yep.
13.
Yep. So you could write it this way, or you could have written it as a fraction. All right, and what about the last one? The product of G and 2 plus M.
I can help.
Okay, so what do we get?
So you just write it G times 2 plus M.
Okay?
And then that's right by itself.
Right. Now, I will tell you, doesn't that looks funny, right?
Right.
Because the 2 looks like an exponent. So I'm just going to rewrite it as 2G plus M. I'm not saying that this isn't right, but 99.9% of the time you're going to see it written this way. Okay? All right. Move on to the on your own. It is very few problems. Let me kind of help you with 5A, okay? Because it's confusing. So it says Larry and Zach have been hired to do odd jobs. So here's Larry, here's Zach. Larry received $7 for each of the 3 flowers. So as you can see, 7, 7, and 7. And then down here it would be 7 times 3. And he gets Y dollars per yard that he weeds. Okay? So X represents the total cost. We want to figure out what is this cost here. But the only way to do that is to subtract what we know from the total cost. So we know that this was 21 and that this is Y. So X minus 21 plus Y would give me that answer. Okay? And then what do we know about Zach? How much does he get?
$25.
25. So he's going to be 25 and y. And then we're going to do the same thing, right? So my total is x. And then what am I going to subtract?
25 plus y.
Yep, 25 plus y.
Who has more money left to earn before his goal?
So who has more money
That's
left?
what was confusing me, but you don't know the goal.
Right. But who originally makes the less money?
Larry?
Right. So it says Larry has more money to earn. He only gets $21, where Zach gets $25.
Who has more money?
So Larry
So Larry does?
has more money to earn, right? Because
Right.
he only gets 21, where Zach gets 25. So Larry has more to earn because he only gets 21, where Zach gets 25. Okay? All right, so you should be able to do the last 4. And we still have, what, about 5 minutes left? Okay? Just remember, if you're not doing it in N2 Math, make sure it gets uploaded into Focus, okay?